အားလုံးသိကြတဲ့အတိုင်းပေါ့နော်ဒီကချင်ဒေသမှာအစိုးရရဲ့တိုက်စစ်ကြောင့်ကျွန်တော်တို့ဒုက္ခရောက်တဲ့ကျွန်တော်တို့ refugees နဲ့ကျွန်တော်တို့ victims ပေါ့နော်ကချင် victims ဒုက္ခတွေအများများရှိပါတယ်လို့ဒီဒုက္ခတွေများအတွက်ကျွန်တော်တို့လုပ်ပေးနိုင်တာဒီကနေလုပ်ပေးနိုင်တာဆိုလို့ရှိရင်အဓိကအရေးကြီးဆုံးချက်ကတော့ကျွန်တော်တို့သူတို့အတွက်တတိတရဆူတောင်းပေးခြင်းသူတို့အတွက်ဒီဆူတောင်းခြင်းအဖြစ်ဖြစ်စေကျွန်တော်တို့တတ်နိုင်တဲ့အဖြစ်တတ်နိုင်တဲ့လောက်ကျွန်တော်တို့ခွန်အားပေးဖို့ဖြစ်ပါတယ်
Of Calvary Baptist Church, I'm Pastor Amy Butler. I'm the senior pastor here at Calvary, and it does my heart so good to see so many of you gathered in this place to pray for peace. Please know that as you gather to pray, our hearts and our prayers join with you. We cannot imagine how hard it must be to be half a world away from your countrymen and women who are suffering so much.
People about the situation in the Kachin state right now. Last but not the least, please be our prayer partners. Please pray for our brothers and sisters in Kachin state, and indeed this is what we're going to do tonight. I want to leave you with a child quote. One raindrop raises the sea. Together we can make a difference for our brothers and sisters back home. Thank you.
Mercy. Blessed are the merciful. We see the people suffer. Our compassionate hearts, our sympathetic hearts will go out, and yet that mercy will travel a long way. If you don't have that mercy and grace because of righteousness, for there is the kingdom of heaven. God promised us the kingdom of heaven. Where is that kingdom of heaven? That kingdom of heaven built on earth in you and me right now. Bless you when people insult you, when people push you away, when people persecute you, falsely say all kinds of evil things against you because of your conviction. And lastly, here, that Sermon on the Mount is so powerful. We say, rejoice and be glad. Yes, I know your tears. Yes, I see what's inside.
Happened in this Lupi village near Chipui and Pangwa area. And another human rights abuses, Burma 16 LIR, the Sangtong Prayer Mountain. This every Kachin know that every Kachin is very proud of this Jade cross because some said that even from satellite, when they take picture, they can see that Jade cross. So they are very proud of this mountain and this cross.
That was done on January 6, 2013. He said it is up to the government. This case is being handled by the government at the moment. We are talking about the government who has failed to protect thousands of its own citizens. We are talking about the government that give budget to this army to kill people. So,
Nangwago Teng Manay, Breaks and Red Simsat Lampe Joyai Shanga Simsat Dumedu Munang Rangan de Law. Deni Kachin Muna Mungan Munganta Na Brasa Lusa Mumun Antire.
About moving to Colon Sitrara Alongu. Hansen Paita, Usuro Muto, Pamisoto, Piarki. General Ludamiagu, Piarkin Chile. Piarkin di Iloga, Pansento, Hane, Yusubu Yandue, Song Shabu Yandue, Pansen Tachin Pipai. Pamisoto Piarkin, Dugole, General Nagama. Lola Ia Bitong Guya Lisa Shikani, Sabi, you could head down. Nichanchi. ကျွန်တော်အတူတကွပူးပေါင်းပြီးဆောင်ရွက်ခြင်းမရှိဘဲပြည်ပြည်နယ်၌ဒုက္ခများကိုခံစားလျက်ရှိသောတိုက်ပွဲများကိုလိုက်စားဒေသ၌ရှိပါ၏။ဘာမြတ်စွာဘုရားခင်ဘုရားသခင်သိပါ၏သူတို့လည်းစုတောင်းတဲ့စက်ကလည်းရှိတယ်ကိုသိရပါ၏။ဘုရားခင်လမ်းပြပို့ဆောင်ခြင်းအပြင်အခက်အခဲများများစွာရင်ဆိုင်တော်လည်းပဲဘုရားခင်ပါရှိခြင်းအပြင်ယခုထက်တိုင်အောင်ဘုရားခင်တောင်းခံနိုင်တော်ခွင့် On behalf of the
the Kachin Alliance and Kachin communities in the United States, I want to express our deepest appreciation to all of you for your participation in today's rally and this prayer service.
Prayer service for our friends, those who are in deep pain and suffering in Burma. And also, I would like to thank you all for your valued participation and precious time for this evening. And also, thank you for your prayer. I would be free through each passing moment. I would be constantly in touch with God. I would be strong to follow where He leads me. I would have faith to keep the path I know. I would have faith to keep the path Christ knows.
Ante jumpo unpong anyusha ni pe ke kang lana thani tana sakung plung pa kanka sawalu na matu dai America po na shungun kisa Spain pe shungun dat ya ke kang lan matu Yesu Kristo tua aku ora Thani thana pan madu prek sangwa ko na go wai tora shwang mit Joy pra wini the pool mai posin mo ko ka madam ra wi pyo knon chu mai che chu pung sing kang ko wo bu ga de nga le ma chan bian pung prang nga jing ri jing rat sat ko pung nga myu sha ni te mung kan chung kra pro sawa an te myu sha ni yong yong an cha tu nong than na rao nga nga ya mi ga do